Hey guys, so it's your boy Gaming. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you're gonna fix USB flash drive not compatible, not detected in car stereo music player. Go to this PC, as you can see right there. So if I do properties on this, you can see it is the USB drive. It's already in FAT32. Okay, but still when I eject and plug, okay, so here's all my musics, right, in a folder. So I'm gonna try not to put it in a folder, so I'm gonna Control A and then cut, go back and paste it in the root of the USB. Okay, and now so here's the folder is currently empty, so I'm gonna delete the folder. Alright, so I've tried everything, guys. I tried to re-encode all of these musics into 128 kbps and still it won't work. I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna eject it right there, as you can see, safely remove. Let's go. Alright guys, so I started the car. Now I'm gonna insert, as you can see here, it's on, it's nothing, so I'm gonna input the flash drive, and as you can see right off the hook, what we got, incompatible USB. No matter how many times I eject it, reinsert, I get the same thing. Okay, one more time, incompatible USB. Okay, let's go back. Okay guys, so we're back. Okay, so I'm gonna reinsert the USB on my PC. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna reformat this. Okay, I'm gonna reformat that as FAT32 default, and then the allocation, I'm gonna set this to 16 kilobytes, and then hit start, click OK. Okay, format complete. Alright, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download Rufus. Okay, just write Rufus download on your Google's and just visit this, scroll down till you see the download links. Hit open. If prompted, hit yes. Click yes again. Don't change any settings, just on the boot. Okay, it will automatically detect the USB flash drive. Right, on the boot selection right here, guys, just change this from this or ISO image to FreeDOS, and then just leave it on MBR, BIOS, whatever, and just click on. Alright, make sure the cluster size is 8192 bytes default. Leave everything to default, and the file system is default FAT32 as well. Just change the volume label, whatever name that you'd like. Okay, maybe MP3, car music, or whatever car, and just click start button. Alright, now go back to this PC, and now you'll be seeing files like this: a local folder and autorun, and then autorun.nif file, a setup information. Okay, like that. Alright, now just paste your music in here. So right now, guys, as you can see, I am currently copying my music. Alright, so once it's done, guys, all you want to do is to eject that, safe eject. Alright, click down there and safe eject the USB storage. Pull this again. Okay, and let's go back. Alright, now here where it says no device, I'm just gonna Insert this and we shall see if it plays or not. Boom! As you can see guys, it fixed. It fixed the problem. Alright, so as you can see, I now can choose any song I want. So you see this guys? So you see this guys, how we fix this simple problem of the incompatible USB drive. We solve the issue. Okay, thanks so much for watching guys.